So I like to show you something, maybe for girls. It's a 2 kilos, or you can use a water bottle. Is you come up on your knees, you lie down, hands and knees here, on your thigh, and you raise the dumbbells up to the side. Now this is with the straight arm, 20 times. If this is done, from here, you're raising up on a letter V or alphabet V. Again, 20 times. If you are a beginner, you can start with a water bottle, so half a kilos, and in the water bottle you can put sand 1 kilo and then graduate to the 2 kilo. And I think these two exercises, no need more than 2 kilos, keep the 20 reps, excellent for your postures, it will help you to stay upright. Excellent to that, if you are here, okay, you can also do the rowing, and this is for girls, can do the machine, excellent. Also for your posture and your upper back, excellent. So exhale as you pull, exhale and inhale back. Exhale and inhale back. Okay, thank you.